Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Aishu Nambiar, and I'm taking you inside KSC. The United Launch Alliance Atlas V first-stage booster that will help launch a Boeing CST-100 Starliner spacecraft in March has arrived at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. The booster arrived by ship to Port Canaveral and was trucked from there to ULA's Atlas Spaceflight Operations Center. The rocket Centaur upper stage arrived in October. The Atlas V will launch Starliner on Boeing's uncrewed orbital flight test to the International Space Station, paving the way for NASA's Commercial Crew program to return human spaceflight launches to U.S. soil. Kennedy Space Center Director Bob Cabana and 3 of his STS-88 crewmates, Nancy Curry-Gregg, Jerry Ross, and Jim Newman, remembered that milestone flight aboard Shuttle Endeavour to start assembly of the International Space Station. They shared their thoughts and memories about this historic mission with Kennedy employees in a panel discussion.
We work together as one, and we have been for 20 years on the International Space Station.
And remember, Spaceport Magazine digs deeper inside KSC.